Personal Capital Digital Wealth Robo-advisor for investing. Honest review. Watch before using. Personal Capital, now operating as Empower, is a hybrid digital wealth management platform that combines automated investment services like access to human financial advisor. It offers a suite of free financial tools alongside personalized wealth management services for clients meeting certain investment threshold. Now, here are the key features. They offer a free financial tools. So Empower provides a range of tools including budgeting assistance, retirement planning, net form tracking, investment analysis, accessible to all users without charge. They also offer wealth management services for clients with investable asset of $100,000 or more. Empower offer personalized investment strategies like tax optimization and dedicated financial advisors. Now here's the pros about this investment plan. It comes with a comprehensive financial dashboard. It also comes with an access to human advisors, which gives access to client benefits from personalized advice through dedicated financial advisor, enhancing the automated services within human side. It comes with a robust free tools, and here's the downside of this, which is high account minimum. The $100,000 minimum investment requirement for wealth management services may be prohibitive for some investors, and also comes with advisory fees. The advisory fee starts at the 0.89% for portfolio up to $1 million, which is higher compared to other group advisors, and also potential for upselling. Users of the free tools might receive prompts to consider Empower's paid advisory services, which could be perceived as intrusive. And here's the overall conclusion. Empower is well suited for individuals seeking a blend of automated investment management and personalized financial advice, particularly those with substantial investable assets. Its comprehensive free tools provide valuable insight for users at various financial stages. However, the higher account minimum and advisory fee may not align with everyone's preference, especially those seeking lower cost robo-advisor option.